I've got 1 minute to the closing bell, people. SMF Street, MMT traders, we're heavy in action. Do we break the high in there? I've already put up the limit order at 310.50. It's on the other video. There are the call contracts traded, 44,000, 44,000, and the bell's going to ring any minute, and you can see going right down to the wire that they're buying all day long. They're still buying $2 and some pennies off the high. There's our cost, $13.90. Wow, look at them shares. Look at that volume print going into the close. Here it goes, MMTs. We are ready. Look at that, 179,000 shares. 179,000 share block went off on Aapl Computer. 44,289 contracts. I'm going to put it on pause. Get ready for the earnings. Here it is now. I would like people to know that there was a big purchase on Google going into the close, and I'll do a separate video later. $170 million in the name. Right now, we haven't got a report. We're waiting on it. I've got drop-down bids. This is the after-hour tick charts, SMF, MMT, and for the innocent people that watch the tape, because this is live. This is real money. This is a big deal. There's a lot of excitement at times in my voice. Just go ahead and bear with. Here's another one that's reporting earnings. BMW, I'll do a separate video. I'm still waiting on Aapl. Here it is. Closing price, $78.35. Big pop up to $81.49. Beat on the bottom line, top line. I'll give the full report to MMTs. I just had a pop down here to $3.15 and a pop back up on Aapl, and we're madly waiting right now. And this is very exciting because we own that BMW, and that IBM is also going to be reporting, which will all three have their separate videos right now. For MMTs, they're panting over Aapl. But remember, there was a lot of money prior made on the name. So therefore, the risk is minimal because we've already made so much money on it. So the thing about it is, MMTs, look for that knee-jerk reaction. I'm out there at 310. VMware is catching some upside reaction. So we got that one working in the software sector. And basically all MMTs, stay alive. Here we go, MMTs. They have not reported. They're dropping the bid to 1641 there in after hours. Here it is, live. Here it is. We don't know what's going to happen yet, but we're out here to buy at 310.50. That's a live order. We're at 315.40. They're dropping it down on this tick chart. There's no report out on Aapl Computer. All it is after hours volatility, but you get to see it live. This is live. We're ready now to break that thing higher on any purchase that we can get down below the market that closed at 318. Let him have that knee jerk. There it is, 316.44, 316.50 by 54. I still don't have a headline number. I still don't have a headline number. MMTs right now. Aapl Computer is 316.98 by 317. We haven't got the number. Let's take a look and see what it does. We are ready. We are ready. We're going to go with the limit order. There it is there. We're going to go with a day plus. That way we can always buy. We don't get hit down here. Let's see what it does. I got 72 by 87, 70 by 87. I still don't have a number. It's all over the map from the closing price. Here's a tick chart. MMTs. Right now, I've got down here, I'm coming back down to 315. I do not have a headline number. Our order is out at 310.50. Right now, we're dropping that bid off that 318. The time is 1:09. It's been 9 minutes after the closing bell, and there isn't no number yet. Here we go. It's 13 right now. I don't have a headline number. It's 11 minutes after. 2 minutes have gone by. IBM missed its earnings, but let's see what happens here. VMware went up. It's selling off. It's down at 78.10, by the way. MMTs below. You had a $2, $3 move. What is short in after hours on BMW? Okay, let's see what Aapl wants to do. Okay, we're buyers on the dip. Here we go. I don't have a number, but I think we're getting close. We're going to take a look and see what they do. IBM is gapping down the futures right now in after hours, MMTs. IBM beats by 7 cents. The revs are in line. I will be doing a special on this as soon as I get done with the Aapl trade, MMTs. And I'm going to turn my back for 1 second, MMT. Here we are. We're just getting a little bit of a move. No, I do not have a report. It's 14 minutes after the closing bell. I do not have a report. I do not have a report. After hours tick charts, MMT, live in action. We'll be updating the IBM, the VMware, and some of the other earnings reports that have come out. Here we go right now. I'm seeing a small uptick. There's that green bar. I don't have nothing. There it is. Maybe it's on now. I don't have that number, MMTs. I'm waiting for it to come across the wire. There it is. There it is. A little bit of movement there, but not much. I still don't have a number. Just watch that tick chart. It's going to be wild and crazy, MMTs. But the wonderful thing about being a trader is always buying down here wholesale, selling up at the top retail where the public likes to buy, and selling short back down and whatnot. So here we are, MMTs. Aapl computer. Just to give you an update, MMT's 22 minutes after the hour right now, and we're kind of just drifting slower before that big knee-jerk reaction comes out, and we've covered lots of earnings on Aapl. Here we go. We're still waiting on that, but we had a big pop in after hours on BMW, and they have slammed it down. What a great short that was. Took that thing up to 81.60, and now look at it. I don't have a guidance report. We'll be going over that right now. I'm going to be focusing on Aapl computer. There's a story on the VMware. It is now 25 minutes after. I got a print right here, 317.90, and that popped that candle up there. I still don't have an earnings report. 26 minutes after the closing bell. MMTs. We just went to the halted stock list and we found Aapl in here somewhere. So I thought I seen it in the halted list. Let me take a look. Fourth from the top, right here. Aapl computers in the halted list. I don't have anything from the wires about it because I don't. So basically, why we're halted, I'm going to find out. So what I'm going to do is conclude this video. It's in the halted list.